హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా పేరు సిద్ధార్థ. ఈరోజు మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయబోయే కాన్సెప్ట్ వచ్చి బ్యాంక్ రీకన్సిలేషన్, బెనిఫిట్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాంక్ రీకన్సిలేషన్ అండ్ ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్యాంక్ రీకన్సిలేషన్. Let's start the video. Bank reconciliation. Reconciliation the bank balance as per passbook with balance as per the cash book. Benefits of bank reconciliation: to record financial statement properly and process of bank reconciliation. First, we will receive the bank statement through email. Once you received, we will segregate the transaction, send it to respective teams like incoming payments to send AR team, outgoing payments to send AP team, and GL transaction I will be prepare journals and post in the SAP, and lastly match the GL balance with the bank statement finally. This is the bank reconciliation. Thank you friends. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.